Hey Pirates, this is Megan from the Ventura College Career Center, and today I'm going to show you how to use our online job board that is exclusive for Ventura College students. If you log into your portal, you can access the job board under Student Quick Links. It's right here, Job Board Career Center. You log in the same way as you would your student portal. Once you've logged in, if you look to the left under Jobs, you can click Search, where you can tailor your job search to what you are looking for. There are internships available on here, full-time and part-time jobs. And you can also reach Simplicity from your mobile phone. There is an app, and you can find your specific student profile under VCCD. And during this time, there are career services available, one-on-ones, as well as workshops we'll be having in the fall semester. If you'd like to reach us, you can reach us at vccareer@vccd.edu. Thank you and have a great day.